In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide menu items in WordPress without using plugins. So, if you're looking for a way to keep your menu neat and uncluttered without the added weight of another plugin, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and get started. First, make sure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. From here, you'll want to navigate to the Appearance and then Menus section. This area is where you can see all the menu items already set up on your website. It's also where we can make the necessary adjustments to hide certain items from your visitors. To hide a menu item, we need to use a bit of custom CSS. If you're not familiar with CSS, don't worry, I'll walk you through every detail. The first step is identifying the specific menu item you'd like to hide. To do this, right-click on the menu item in your browser and select Inspect. This action will open your browser's developer tools, showing you the HTML code for that specific element. You're looking for a unique ID or class name associated with the menu item. This ID or class is what we'll use in our CSS to hide it. Once you have identified the correct class or ID, you can navigate back to your WordPress dashboard to add some custom CSS. Go to the Appearance section, then choose Customize. Once there, you'll see an option for additional CSS. Here's where the magic happens. You'll want to type in some CSS to hide the menu item. It'll look something like this: menu item 123, display, none, or .menu item .custom class, display, none. Make sure to replace 123 foot or custom class with the actual ID or class of the menu item you want to hide. After entering your CSS, it's vital to save your changes. Depending on your theme, there should be a blue Publish button at the top of the customizer. Click this to save your CSS changes and apply them to your website. It's always a good idea to double-check that the menu item is actually hidden on the front end of your site. You can do this by exiting the customizer and going to your website to ensure the menu item is no longer visible. This process allows you to keep your menu straightforward and user-friendly without the need to install any additional plugins that might slow down your website. It's a simple yet effective way to manage your website's navigation and ensure your visitors have the best experience possible. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tips and tricks.